Happy Wednesday, students. I wanted to touch base with you midweek a little earlier than I normally would. Usually I do these midweek checks on Thursday, but since it's the first week we're getting into defining our research topic, I thought it was a good idea to post this video and announcement today. So in Monday's memo, you had a video, hopefully you watched it, it's about a 10-minute long video. You started to define what specific subject you want to research for this semester. Remember, you're going to take this research topic and carry it forward for the whole semester. So in Monday's mini lesson, I gave you instructions on how to begin to find that controversial topic. And I had you Google controversial topics or controversial issues in whatever your topic is. So that could be nursing, psychology, marine biology, whatever that happens to be. And then you want to look and see what some of those controversial issues are and choose something and say, hey, this is what I'm interested in pursuing and researching. All right, now that you have your issue, you want to come over here to today's check-in memo. And you're going to start writing your purpose statement this week. You have a worksheet, a topic and source approval worksheet due on Sunday. You have to come up with 2 sources and you have to write a purpose statement for your research project. So the purpose statement is it's something like a thesis statement. It tells me, the reader, hey, this project is going to research this specific narrow topic, not just issues in nursing, but you're going to tell me what issue in nursing. And you're going to come up with what are the 2 sides, what are the pros and cons, or what are the ways of looking at this issue. All of that's part of your topic and source approval worksheet. Then you've got to come up with 2 scholarly academic sources. And you're going to list those sources on that worksheet. So in this particular announcement, I show you how to use the databases at the library's homepage. I know if you came through Coastal's 111, you had to use Coastal Library. You want to use Coastal's library for your sources. No, don't Google that. You can Google for your topic, trying to figure out what you want to do. But when it comes to getting your sources, it's got to come from the library. So I have some screenshots kind of walking you through how to use the library. And any questions that you have, and I have a link to the library's homepage, any questions that you have, you can make, as I show here, an appointment with a librarian to give you some one-on-one help with your coming up with some sources. So again, you've got 2 or 3 goals this week. Purpose statement, research questions, and finding your first 2 sources. All right. So, and don't forget you've got that discussion board. Let me go ahead and click into that. Remove this. So you have a discussion board that's due tomorrow night on Thursday evening about finding your topic and using the library. So this is sort of the first step. You're going to go ahead and you're going to answer these questions. There's a series of steps you have to go through. These links that I tell you to click on, they're up here. Okay, here's the library's homepage. Here's the App State Writing About Guidelines, which tells you, says we're going to use this later in the semester, but I want you to take a look at it now. General guidelines on choosing a topic. Here's a little video on the difference between thesis statements and purpose statements. So don't forget you've got this discussion board, and don't forget you've got to reply to 2 of your classmates' posts and give them feedback on these questions. You know, how do you think? Could you give them any help, any guidance? Maybe you know something about their topic, or maybe it interests you too. Then by the end of the week on Sunday night, you've got your topic and source development worksheet. And that's right here. And you submit it here. Okay, so if you click on this, we'll go ahead and take a quick look. So there are a series of questions that you you want to go through and answer. This is going to help you develop your topic, get you thinking about this. You're going to try to start to come up with your specific issue. Here are keywords you need to come up with for researching at the library. And here are the questions you need to answer about your two sources. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. Any questions that you have, I'm always available either through email or through face-to-face appointment or through virtual appointment. I'm very happy to set up a virtual appointment and talk with you, even if it looks like it's outside my office hours.